Welcome friends, once again to Adapt Tech Guru. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn that how to implement if-else statement, that is conditional statements in C programming. So first we need to start our coding with including the header files #include stdio.h, then #include conio.h, and then I'm starting the main, so into main. So as we know that our entire code will be inside the body of this main function. So here we will learn that how to implement that if-else statement in our coding. So first of all we need to know that what is the importance of if-else in programming. Basically we have to a lot of decisions we need to make in our coding, in our in fact in our daily life also. So based on some condition we used to take the decisions that what I have to do and what I have not to do in our daily life. So similarly in the coding part also situations may come that I have to take some decision that what course of action I need to take and what I shouldn't take. So that is basically on a coding, on a condition, and that condition is needed to be written inside the if statement. It basically gives you some true or false values. So if the condition gives true, then you need to perform certain course of action. If it is false, then some other. Okay, to understand this, let's take the example that one user will giving some value, some integer value, and our program is going to check that whether it's a positive number or a negative number. Okay, so let's start with an integer variable. We need to take num, then I'm giving the instruction to the user printf that enter any non-zero value, because 0 doesn't have any sign. So after seeing this on the screen, user is supposed to input the number, so that will be %d as decimal integer it should be, and we're going to store it in the variable num, so ampersand num. Now here the if statement comes in the picture. In the if we have to write some condition, like here I'm writing if num is greater than 0. So if the number given by the user is greater than 0, it is integer, it is a positive number. So here I'm writing the output. We need to give this /n because we need to print it in the separate line. First this will come on the screen, then user will give some value, and the output should come in some different line in the next line. So I'm giving the new line character and I'm printing that it is a positive number. And if the user give some value like which is less than 0, so that will be a negative number. So that will obviously not satisfy this condition, so this condition will give false if the number given by the user is negative. So that will be coming here in the else part. So in the else the output will be it is a negative number. Okay, and after that, as we know, we need to give get ch to retain the console, and then return 0. This return statement is there because the return type of the main is integer, so I need to return some integer value at the end. Now I'm going to save this with C source files extension, and I'm giving this as a name as conditional statement, right? Okay, now as you know, we have to click on this compile and run option. You can also click on compile then run. I'm clicking on this, which will perform both of these tasks. Okay, here we have some error. You can see we have missed out this n, so some syntextual error was there. Again, I'm clicking on this. Now it's okay. So enter any non-zero value. I'm giving suppose 45. See, it's saying that it's a positive number. Again, I'm running it, and I'm giving some negative value like minus 99, and see, it's saying negative number. So our program is able to take decision based on the input that what output it should display. Okay, so this is an example of if statement. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.